eMapshop menu system. It has a category list on the left and a list of maps related to that category on the right. When you click on a category, it shows you the individual maps that are contained in that category. When you click on an individual map, you'll see a thumbnail of that map so that you know what you have in the package and you can pick the right map. The screen you see here is part of that downloadable sample. Let's get started with the demo. The first thing we always have at the top of the menu is the documentation, which you can view with the standard viewer that comes with the eMapshop. That'll get you started. The next thing to show you is our interactive maps. The interactive maps come in two flavors: a GIS map, which has more geographic capabilities, and a PDF style map, which is good for displays. Let's take a look at some of those capabilities of the GIS version of the Europe interactive map. It starts out with several layers, and you can turn on or off layers as needed. If you want to make it a political map, you simply turn on the political fill and turn off the continent outline. If you want to add country labels to it, you just click on the countries. Or if you want to convert it to a physical map, you can turn off the political layers and turn on the physical layers. Some of the advantages that the GIS version has is its ability to look at certain features. Let's zoom in on England, and we'll add some capital cities. And if we want to inquire about those cities, we can simply click on the star and see what it is. And now you can see the population of London and the fact that it's a capital. Or if you want to see something about a particular country, you can click on the country and see its pertinent information. Or you can measure the distance between two capitals with a measuring tool. Just draw a line between the two stars. That's 327 miles as the crow flies from Dublin to London. Let's take a look at the PDF version of the same map. It too has layers. Simply expand the layers and they work just like the GIS version. You can do the same kind of highlighting. For example, we can take rivers and turn on the river labels and highlight certain rivers as being important. For example, the Rhine or the Volga. We can even type on the map using the typewriter tool and identify certain countries. This just shows you some of the many capabilities of the various PDFs in the eMapshop. Of course, you can print this map, or you can click on File and Save As to create a special version of the map to use with particular lessons. Let's take a look at the outline maps. The eMapshop comes with a variety of basic outline maps that you can print for lessons. And you're certainly licensed to print as many of those as you'd like. Here's an outline map of the world. Let's look at the World History series. There are over 100 World History maps, but this sample just has 2 of them. We could pick Napoleon's Empire, and when the map came up for student purposes or for the purposes of your lesson, you could highlight Moscow as being one of Napoleon's last stands, and where he was humiliated by the way they burned the city. Or you can use what we call the cloud tool to show the extent of his empire and just draw a simple cloud around that to highlight features on the map. And again, you can print any of these maps with your markups or save a markup version under a different name. The other thing that makes our package a little bit special is the fact that you can get us to customize maps. Here's a very unique map for teaching civics and government for the state of the state of Virginia. This map only exists in the eMapshop package, and it was custom made for several school districts in Virginia. And last but not least is our U.S. History series. These are also done in PDF format and can be marked up with a variety of map tools. This concludes our demo of the eMapshop. To see the rich variety of available maps, we'd ask you to explore the pages of eMapshop.com. Thanks for watching.